I'm live with our second break of the night. A single black diamond. It's been a while we didn't do one. So let's open that box. Break 2610. Black diamond single box break of quarters. Exquisite pack. Oh, that's a nice one. Exquisite Collection Spectrum jersey number 2 out of 70. Buffalo Sabres. Alexander Nylander. But I like this card. I like those Spectrums, shiny cards. So, like that, Exquisite was gonna have like diamond correct. Let's do this. Might have a diamond, guys. So, starting with a base out of 249. St. Louis Blues. Jordan Schwartz. That's Jaden Schwartz, Jonathan. Jaden Schwartz. Next card is upside down. I don't know why. It's a Team Local Jumbo for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Johnny Bauer. Last card is your rookie gem 147 out of 399 Buffalo Sabres. Alexander Nylander. Next jersey out of 149, 6 out of 149 Tampa Bay Lightning, Steven Stamkos. And our last hit is a Diamond Relics rookie. It's a single diamond, number 68 out of 99. Nashville Predators, Vladislav Kamenev. Nice hit for the Nashville Predators. So guys, that was our single of Black Diamond. Good thing you get a diamond. I'll be back with the second half of our SP Game News case. So be back in 5 minutes. Thanks. It's XPX? You sure? So guys, we'll be back. Thanks.